Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to set the default theme on the Messenger app. For that, you just need to open the Messenger and make sure you have logged in into the Messenger and tap on any chat or conversation you would like to change the theme of. Once you tap on that, on the top you can see the I like icon on the top right corner. Tap on it, and here first only you can see the theme option. Tap on it, and if it isn't set in the default you can just scroll down, and under the colors and gradients here it is the default theme on the first option only. Suppose, let me show you, because here it is already set in the default theme. Suppose it is set on the monochrome theme, just select that, and if you want to change that, then go to that I like icon again and tap on theme once again and scroll down, and under the colors and gradients you can find the default theme option. Tap on it and tap on select, and now you have changed the theme to default. If you want to change the emoji also, then you can go again back to the I like icon and access to this page and tap on quick reaction and tap on like emoji, and now you have also set the quick reaction to the like. So in this way you can easily change the theme to the default. Thank you.